Some people may think it's too early for Christmas shopping, but I do not, because I like to be ahead of the game. And so I've already started my Christmas shopping for some people, and one of those people is my grandma. And for my grandmother this year, I'm going to get her more than just this, but this item is a necessity, whether she knows it or not. The Audien Atom Pro 2s. They are hearing aids. If you or a loved one in your life have hearing loss, hearing impairment, these are such a fantastic option to combat that and just make your life and the people around you's life a little bit easier. Because trust me when I say these are a gift not only for my grandmother, but for the rest of us as well. They come in this fantastic carrying case, which is just so cool. They're rechargeable. They're something you can buy yourself, and they're actually quite affordable. It's 1 pair of hearing aids, 6 pairs of earbuds, a charging dock and the case, USB charging cable, power adapter, a cleaning brush, and 4 wax guards. So you get the full set, the full kit, everything you need right here. While I get these all wrapped up, I wanted to talk a little bit more about the benefits of the Audien Atom Pro 2s. So as I said previously, they are super affordable, which is fantastic.